Okay, this is a video for how to install the new Bizhub if you already have the old Bizhub installed. If you do not already have the old Bizhub installed on your computer, then watch that video first, follow those instructions, and then come back to this video to install the new Bizhub. Give it your best shot. If you have trouble with it, come and see me. My office is 238U. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is uninstall my current version of iPrint. So to do that, I'm going to go up to my spotlight, the little magnifying glass icon on the top right, and click it, and just start typing in iPrint. iPrint uninstallation will come right up, and you can press return. It'll ask you if you really want to do that. You can say yes. This is your computer password. And then the icon at the bottom will disappear. That's how you know it's uninstalled. And now I no longer have my iPrint icon at the top. Next, I'm going to open my web browser. I'm going to open up a new tab and type in printers.servers.udayton.edu. And on the top left here, I have Install iPrint Client. This should be the latest version of supported iPrint client that we have. So you can click that, and it will install here. And I'm just going to go through the installation of this. It can sometimes take a minute or two to finish this installation. Okay, now after that million years, press close, and you can go ahead and move that to the trash, that's fine. And now here, still on this printers.servers page, I'm going to press Command F. Again, that's Command F, because I want to search for something specific within the page. So I press Command F, and then I'm going to type in the word Fiery, F-I-E-R-Y, Fiery. And the printer is this one, the G16868 Fiery_alternate. I want to click on the I next to it, and it'll bring up this pop-up. I can then select this entire URI address and Command C to copy that. Then I'm going to minimize the screen and my web browser. So now I'm going to go into my system preferences to printers and scanners. And I'm going to add a new printer. I want to be in the Advanced tab. It will do the searching for printers, which can also just take a couple moments. And the type will be iPrint. The URL is that address we got on the web just a minute ago, so I'm going to Command V to paste it in. And then I want to bring my browser right in front of the P of printers, and I want to delete until it says iPrint: 2 backslashes. So this is what the entire URL should look like. And the name is New Bizhub. You can call it whatever you'd like. The location is Studio 238. The driver, we're going to come here, select software, and we're going to choose EFI Fiery Color Server 1.2. Your list might look a little different from this. You might have to scroll to find it, but if you just type in EFI, it'll narrow your list down for you, and you want the Color Server 1.2. If you do not have that, it was something that you got in the previous video. Again, you need to do install the old Bizhub first. Okay, and I'm going to add it, and it says it's setting it up. For me, I already have it installed. You won't get this pop-up. And then there's a couple of last little things to do here. The third option down, finisher option, slim type staple. and you can select that. Then next to additional tray, select additional tray and scroll down. And second from the bottom, optional trays, tray 3 and tray 4. All right, so it should look like this. And then press OK. And now your list should be updated. See, I added new Bizhub number 2. And you can give it a try and see if it prints. And if it does, then congratulations, you have a new printer.